And next part is that broader meaning of democracy. The meaning of democracy. Here says that in this chapter we understand the meaning of democracy is limited and descriptive sense. So we have understood that democracy is a form of government. Correct. The most common form of democracy takes in our time that of a representative democracy. In our country, representative democracy. What is it? Indirect democracy. Because we are sending our representatives. So this is called representative democracy. In the countries we call democracy, all the people do not rule. Democracy means all people are not ruling, only the representatives are ruling. A majority is allowed to take the decision on behalf of all people. The majority, those which party got the majority in the election, they will form the government, they will rule the country. Even majority do not rule directly. Even the majority party became in the power, they cannot do what they wish, because there is only prescribed everything in the constitutional law and citizens' right. So in a democracy, majority of people rule through their elected representatives. Why? Why we are setting this like representative democracy? Because modern democracies involves such a large number of people, so that it is physically impossible for them to sit together. In India we have 130 crore people, or in Kerala we have 330 crore people. 3 crore 30 lakh people. How they can sit together in a single place? So it's impossible. And take or a collective decision? No, there is no chance for to sit together. And even if they could, the citizen does not have the time to sit for that, and the desire or the skills to take part in all decisions, because all are not same. Different in every person are unique. So it's the best option is to select the representative democracy. Aim of a good democracy. What is the aim of good democracy? True democracy will come to this country only when no one goes hungry to bed. Whenever we are going to bed, we are getting hungry, so there is not a good democracy. Whenever he is going to bed after fighting the food, full of food, so the good country. So in a democracy, every citizen must be able to play equal role in decision making. For this, you don't need just an equal right to vote. Every citizen need have equal information, basic education, equal resources, and a lot of commitment. This all needs not only getting the equal right to vote, they have to get equal information, basic education, food, equal resources, and lot of commitment also needed for a good democracy. So this is all about the chapter. Thank you for watching me. Have a nice day.